Cool spring weather now, a summer sizzler coming before we get to Memorial Day weekend. Tired of water in your basement or crawl space? Trust Finally Dry Waterproofing's family owned company to fix it right. They install permanent drainage solutions guaranteed for 2 ownerships with no year limit. Get your free inspection today at www.finallydrywaterproofing.net or call 856-491-2228. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Speaking of spring, how about the pollen? The tree pollen is very high right now. I don't think I need to tell you that. You probably know by going outside, but the grass pollen is also getting there as well in the moderate category. Good news is not much ragweed pollen and no air pollutants as well. Our air is pretty clean and refreshing today. And the reason for that is because we have a new air mass that came in. An area of high pressure from Canada moved in today, replacing some of that more damp weather that's been around over the past couple of days. And it's all thanks to a cold front that passed through last night that ushered in this high pressure system. So for today, it's wall to wall sunshine, 70 in Highlands, 60 in Atlantic City, and somewhere in between just about everywhere else. Winds out of the north for most of the day today, but towards sunset, they'll come out of the south and the southwest. Overnight lows will generally be around 50 degrees. It's a comfortable night to leave the windows open as long as that pollen doesn't get to you. And then as we go into our Wednesday, we do have some warmer temperatures here. Temperatures around 73 in Toms River, 73 in Buda. Cooler sea breeze does develop, LBI at 62. Notice those winds. They are going to be stiff as we go throughout the day here. We do have wave heights that increase to about 6 feet as well. And in terms of rain, most of your day is dry Wednesday, but there will be showers and maybe even a thunderstorm late in the day. Let me show you what we're talking about here. This is 8 o'clock. We start to get some showers moving in, but really it's an overnight thing. Thunderstorms will be possible into Thursday morning. And then Thursday's not really a fully wet day, but it's one of those days where a shower storm is not ruled out at any point. Rainfall totals will be between 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch. I've said this many times before. We'll take this kind of rain, but we need more to dig out of drought. Now, as we go into the weekend, our pattern flips. This is what we have Tuesday. Watch what happens as we go into the weekend and really Sunday into early next week. An area of high pressure sets up to our east that will bring in southwesterly winds, and that means warm, even hot air here as we go into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Now, New Jersey should be dry, but once you get further west, that's where you see some daily showers and thunderstorms. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast and how it all shakes out. So, coolest day of the next 7 is today. Then we have a long stretch of 70s, and there are those 80s for Sunday and Monday. Now, it won't be all that humid, so I think you'll enjoy this warm, very warm weather that we have Sunday and Monday. We go over towards the beaches. I think you have a beach day from Seabright all the way down to Cape May on our Sunday. And then Monday, 68 degrees, still warm and dry as well. But a nice summer preview as we get into the waning days before Memorial Day weekend.